Hello everyone, and thank you for joining for yet another video. In this video, I bring to you one of the latest updates as posted on the Aaip website, and this update has to do with the change in the processing fees. So as you might have seen in our WhatsApp group, there have been certain posts coming forward regarding this particular update, and I just want to take you through this update in detail. And as usual, as I've done on this channel, I'll always take you through the official update. So let's go into the Aaip website and look at this update. So Aaip on its website posted this update on 1st of April, where it says that there has been a slight increase of processing fees, which is done to match the service delivery cost. This is the update, and then this is the updated fees schedule. So for any application under the Alberta Opportunity Stream or Alberta Express Entry Stream or Rural Renewal Scheme, any application under this stream would now cost 840 Canadian dollars. Earlier this fees was 500, so from 500 it has now increased to 840 Canadian dollars. So please note that under Alberta Express Entry Stream there are multiple substreams. Like for example, let me just take you through quickly to that. So this fees would apply to all such substreams. So under Alberta Express Entry Stream, you see there are a lot of streams here. Like for example, you see all the streams here: family connection, dedicated healthcare pathway, accelerated tech pathway. So all these streams, application under all of these streams would entail a cost of $840. Next, application under the entrepreneur stream. So there are certain entrepreneur stream under which you can apply for a nomination, and under all of these streams the fees is $3,500. I am not too sure what was the fee structure before this, because I've never covered entrepreneur stream in detail, but this is the current cost under the entrepreneur stream. Okay, so expression of interest. So now I think there was an update to this particular, when I was looking at this particular stream and the updates under this stream. Let me just go back to the stream. Now I see that it said that there is a new expression of interest fees. So earlier expression of interest was free, right? So expression of interest is a process where you first apply to Aaip, and then Aaip will kind of evaluate your score and your application, and then provide you with NOI. So EOI is like a precursor to the NOIs. So now what I see here is that mostly for the entrepreneur streams, most of them are entrepreneur streams. For all of these entrepreneur streams, the expression of interest will now cost $200. So even if you're expressing interest, it will cost you $200. But again, this is only for the entrepreneur stream. There are still EOI process, like for example tech pathway. So for that it continues to be free. So you can express your interest, and Aaip will do the evaluation. Request to extend the nomination, $150. I think this was $100 earlier. Request for a 204C and a 205A letter of support. Each of them is $150. So this letter of support is for work permit. So $150, $150. Request for reconsideration, $250, and any kind of agreement changes is $150. So this is the new fee schedule, which will be effective from 1st of April. If you have already done the application and paid the fees, this will not impact you. I'm sure Aaip will not come asking for extra. Like for example, if you've already applied for AOS and you have already paid that $500 fees, Aaip is not coming and asking for extra $340. That is not happening. I think it is effective 1st of April. So any of us who are making applications from today onwards will have to pay this extra fees. Okay, so this is what I wanted to cover in this particular video. If you have any questions, reach out to me on the comments and I'll be more than happy to answer that question. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.